How to fix Facebook Music not available in your region. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. In the source bar, search for Facebook. Move into this app. You have to make sure that you're using the updated version of the app. If not, tap on Resume or Update in order to update it. Once you're using the updated version, the next thing you want to do is, in the App Store itself, you have to search for VPN. Move into any one of it and then install it. Once you have installed any of the VPN on a device, simply move into it and open the application. Over here, you have to connect to any of the server in which the Facebook Music is available. Once you have connected to the server, head over to your application Facebook and try using the music. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.